Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do an unboxing on this Louis Vuitton Escale collection. So let me open the box first. Okay. There you go. There's no ribbon. So here's the receipt. So I got this Mini Pochette Accessoire on April 10th, 2020, and I just got it. So here it is, guys. There you go. Here it is. This is a limited edition mini pochette, and it's sold out online. I wasn't able to get this in the day it was released, so again, I keep stalking the website several times a day and also sign up to get notified until last April the 10th. I was able to purchase it. I was able to place it in cart. So here it is. This one is in a Monogram Giant coated canvas with a tie-dye print in feminine pastel shades, and then the cowhide-leather trim, silver color hardware, silver, the chain. This one, the chain is also in silver. The chain is in silver. And then the zip closure is also in silver as well. And this one is made in France. Look at that. The corner. It's beautiful. And then so the inside. Yeah, so this is the code if you're interested in getting it. The textile. And then the date code is SF1210. So this was made on the 11th week of 2020. And it has a purple interior. And it has a print of LV all over it. Yeah, it's such a beautiful color. The pastel color is stunning. Look at that. So guys, I also have here my favorite and most used mini pochette, and it's in Damier Ebene. It's a Damier Ebene print featuring the Vivienne in an Eiffel Tower in Paris. And I'm just gonna do a little bit of like a comparison between the two. So I think they're in the same, yeah, I think they're like the same size. Yeah, pretty much the same size. So this one, this mini pochette that I have, I have been using this one non-stop and it is holding up pretty well. So I have a Samorga inside. So the reason why I'm showing this to you because I bought a Samorga. I put a Samorga insert for this. And by the way, this is very, very durable. I like it because it's thick. So let me try to put this one inside. See if it fits. Let's see if that one fits. Oh yeah, it fits perfectly. Oh wow, that's amazing. Yeah, they're just like the same size. Very nice, very lovely. Look at that. You could just put your stuff here. And if I want to transfer it, I'll just take it out and transfer it on the other one. No problem. Perfect. So let me see. Yeah, the stitching is very clean. The sides, it's beautiful. Yeah. Another wonderful pochette. Let me see. Okay. Yes. It's beautiful. Look at that color. It's gorgeous. So guys, that's it. That's it for today. So if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.